Remember 2020? Yeah, nobody wants to. It was a year that turned our lives upside down in ways we never imagined. The streets that were once bustling with life became eerily silent. Cities that never slept suddenly seemed to be in a deep slumber. The world went upside down. COVID-19 hit us hard. It was like a scene from a dystopian movie, but it was our reality. The virus spread rapidly, and before we knew it, everything changed. Suddenly, face masks were fashion, and social distancing became a thing. We had to adapt to new norms overnight. The simple act of going to the grocery store felt like a mission. We learned to smile with our eyes as our faces were covered with masks. It was a crash course in pandemics for all of us. This virus disrupted everything. Offices that were once filled with chatter and activity became ghost towns. The concept of working from home, which was once a luxury for a few, became the new normal for many. Businesses closed, schools went online, and we all became way too familiar with our couches. Our living rooms turned into classrooms and offices. The lines between work, school, and home blurred, and we had to find new ways to balance our lives. The economy took a nosedive. Small businesses struggled to survive, and many didn't make it. The financial impact was felt globally, and the road to recovery seemed long and uncertain. But amidst the chaos, something amazing happened. Science stepped up. In the face of unprecedented challenges, researchers and scientists around the world united with a common goal. Researchers around the world worked tirelessly. They put in countless hours, often working around the clock, driven by the urgency of the situation. Their dedication and perseverance were nothing short of heroic. They raced to understand this new coronavirus. Every day brought new discoveries and insights. The scientific community shared information and collaborated like never before, breaking down barriers and working together for the greater good. And they worked even harder to find ways to stop it. The race to develop a vaccine was on, and the pressure was immense. But the determination to find a solution was even greater. The pressure was on, and they delivered. Breakthroughs were made, and hope began to emerge. The world watched in anticipation as scientists announced their progress. Out of this global crisis came a beacon of hope: mRNA vaccines. These vaccines represented a monumental achievement in medical science. They were developed in record time, thanks to years of prior research and the tireless efforts of scientists. This wasn't just a small step in medicine, it was a giant leap. The development of mRNA vaccines opened new doors for future medical advancements. It showed us what is possible when we come together and work towards a common goal. These vaccines are a game changer, and they're here to stay. They have given us a fighting chance against COVID-19 and have paved the way for new treatments and vaccines for other diseases. The journey is far from over, but we have made incredible strides. Together, we can overcome any challenge. So, what exactly is mRNA, and why is it such a big deal? mRNA stands for messenger RNA. It's a type of genetic material that plays a crucial role in the process of translating genetic information from DNA to proteins, which are the building blocks of life. Think of mRNA as a set of instructions for your cells, a blueprint that tells them how to make specific proteins. Traditional vaccines work by injecting a weakened or inactive virus into your body. This method has been effective for many diseases, teaching your immune system to recognize and fight off the real deal. However, developing these traditional vaccines can be time-consuming and complex, often taking years to perfect and mass-produce. This is where mRNA vaccines come into play. They work differently and offer several advantages over traditional methods. Instead of using the whole virus, mRNA vaccines deliver a tiny piece of genetic code, the mRNA. This code instructs your cells to produce a harmless piece of the virus, specifically the spike protein found on the surface of the virus. Once the mRNA is inside your cells, it uses the cell's machinery to produce the spike protein. This process is similar to how your body naturally makes proteins, making it a very efficient way to trigger an immune response. The spike protein itself is harmless, but it's enough to alert your immune system. It's like showing your immune system a wanted poster of the virus, giving it a clear target to recognize and attack. Once your cells display these spike proteins, your immune system kicks into gear. It recognizes the threat and starts creating antibodies. These antibodies are like trained assassins, ready to attack if the real virus ever shows up. This rapid response can prevent the virus from taking hold and causing illness. One of the most significant advantages of mRNA vaccines is their adaptability. Scientists can quickly modify the mRNA sequence to target new variants of a virus, making it easier to respond to emerging threats. This flexibility is a game changer in the fight against infectious diseases, allowing for faster development and deployment of vaccines. The mRNA technology has opened up new possibilities for preventing and treating a wide range of illnesses, from infectious diseases to cancer. As we continue to explore the potential of mRNA vaccines, we are witnessing a revolution in medicine. This innovative approach is not only changing how we combat diseases, but also how we think about our health and well-being. The future of vaccines is here, and it's powered by mRNA. This is just the beginning of a new era in medical science, one that promises to bring us closer to a world free from the threat of infectious diseases. Stay tuned as we continue to uncover the incredible potential of mRNA technology and its impact on global health. A vaccine revolution is upon us, and it's transforming the way we protect ourselves and our loved ones. Developing a vaccine usually takes years, sometimes even decades, due to the rigorous processes involved. But with COVID-19, we simply didn't have that kind of time to spare. The world needed a solution, and it needed it fast. Enter Operation Warp Speed and similar initiatives around the world, which aim to expedite the process. These programs poured billions of dollars into vaccine research and development, providing essential resources. They cut through bureaucratic red tape and significantly accelerated clinical trials. Scientists were already studying mRNA technology for other diseases, which was a fortunate coincidence. This head start gave them a crucial advantage in the race against time. They were able to adapt their research to target the novel coronavirus quickly and efficiently. The urgency of the pandemic also led to unprecedented levels of collaboration. Scientists, pharmaceutical companies, and governments around the world shared data and resources like never before. It was a global effort for a global crisis, showcasing the power of unity. Section 4. A shot of hope. mRNA vaccines and their effectiveness. The results of the mRNA vaccine trials were nothing short of remarkable and groundbreaking. The vaccines showed incredibly high efficacy rates in preventing severe illness, hospitalization, and death from COVID-19. These vaccines weren't just effective, they were also safe and reliable. Like all vaccines, they underwent rigorous testing to ensure their safety and efficacy. The benefits far outweighed the risks, making them a crucial tool. Millions of people around the world rolled up their sleeves and got vaccinated. And guess what? The vaccines worked wonders. They saved countless lives and helped to slow the spread of the virus significantly. Of course, no vaccine is 100% effective. Some people may still get infected with COVID-19 even after vaccination, but the vaccines drastically reduce the chances of getting seriously ill, providing a strong defense. Section 5. Beyond COVID-19, mRNA's potential for other diseases. The success of mRNA vaccines against COVID-19 has opened up a whole new world of possibilities for medicine. This breakthrough has shown us that mRNA technology is not just a one-trick pony. It has the potential to be a game changer in the medical field, offering new ways to tackle some of the most challenging diseases known to humanity. This technology has the potential to revolutionize how we treat a wide range of diseases. From infectious diseases to chronic conditions, mRNA could be the key to unlocking new treatments and even cures. Imagine a future where we can quickly develop vaccines and therapies tailored to individual needs, drastically improving patient outcomes. Scientists are already exploring the use of mRNA vaccines for other infectious diseases, such as influenza, which continues to be a significant health concern worldwide. The ability to rapidly update and deploy mRNA vaccines could make seasonal flu outbreaks a thing of the past. HIV, a virus that has eluded a vaccine for decades, is another target. Researchers are hopeful that mRNA technology could finally provide a breakthrough. Similarly, malaria, which affects millions of people each year, could be tackled more effectively with mRNA-based solutions. Imagine a world where we could prevent these deadly diseases with a simple shot. The convenience and effectiveness of mRNA vaccines could make this a reality, saving countless lives and reducing the burden on healthcare systems globally. But it doesn't stop there. The potential applications of mRNA technology extend far beyond infectious diseases. Researchers are also looking into how this technology can be used to treat non-communicable diseases, which are responsible for a significant portion of global mortality. mRNA technology could also be used to develop personalized cancer vaccines. These vaccines would be tailored to the unique genetic makeup of an individual's cancer, offering a more targeted and effective treatment option. These vaccines would train the immune system to recognize and attack specific cancer cells, potentially leading to more successful outcomes and fewer side effects compared to traditional treatments like chemotherapy and radiation. The future of mRNA technology is incredibly exciting. As we continue to explore and understand its capabilities, we may find even more applications that we haven't yet imagined. The possibilities are truly endless. We're only just scratching the surface of its potential. The advancements we've seen so far are just the beginning. With continued research and investment, mRNA technology could revolutionize medicine in ways we can't yet fully comprehend. This technology has the power to transform medicine and improve human health in countless ways. From preventing infectious diseases to treating chronic conditions and even cancer, the potential impact of mRNA technology is immense. The future of medicine is bright, and mRNA is leading the way.